This is pretty much what you're gonna need. You need the screwdriver or the drill for to take out your intake box, or if you have an intake or any kind of screw. And you're gonna need your flashlight, either something like this or regular flashlight. You need your ratchet, your extension, size 12 socket, and needle nose pliers. And definitely you're gonna need a piece of paper, and you're going to see why later on the video. I'm working on a 99 Subaru Legacy GT. This is the 2.5 dual overhead cam. And I'm replacing the knock sensor. So this is the old one. Where are you? This is cracked. The car has over 200,000 miles. And this is the new one. I got this one on eBay for, I think it was like $20 some. It says original part from Subaru. If I can focus, supposed to be original part, and it's actually pretty tight. Where are you at? Where am I? Sorry guys, it's kind of hard to record and do this at the same time. So right, I don't know if you guys see right over there, there's a little hole. That's where, right there. See that right there? That's where it goes, and goes all the way to, there's another thing right over here. So let me put it back on. I'm sorry, I wasn't trying to make a video, just happened to change my mind and do it. Just connect it to sorry guys, it's gonna be a horrible video. Where are you? Just connect it right over here. This is the throttle body to the intake, and the hole's right over there. This is the bolt. So I don't need both hands, so I'm gonna have to stop this. I'm using the needle nose pliers to reach all the way inside over there. I don't know if you guys, where the heck am I? Where am I? Right there. So the new one, sorry guys, I'm shaking a little bit. It's right, the new one is right over there already. Let's see, right over there, there's the new one. So I kind of guided with the needle nose pliers, and I pretty much just threw it all the way over there, and I kind of guided, and I used the needle nose pliers. Man, I feel like I used to have like 5 cups of coffee. It's right over there. Right there. Right there. Having problems trying to figure out how to have the bolt not to fall out of the socket. And I remember this one YouTuber, I can't remember the name. As soon as I remember the name, I'll post it on the video. And what he did was he grabbed a piece of paper and he just put it like this, and pretty much it's working. So yeah, thank you, that works very well. Piece of paper was very helpful. So you can see the paper got stuck right over there. All right, and let me show you. I don't think you can see. So pretty much the wire goes up under the throttle body to the other side. Right, see the paper all the way over there, and this is the wire. This one sorry, this one gets connected to this over here. So you definitely have plenty of wire to connect it to this one. I just want to show you that the where are you at? You can just go like that. Where are you? And just sorry guys. Come on, focus. Focus. Right there. Oh, all right guys, you get the idea. I need both hands.